Got it here, $100 junk drawer mystery box, because I don't even remember what I just bought. Plus I have been ordering so many of them, I forgot. So anyways, junk drawer is bunch of like lots of different stuff. There's kind of vintage and unique stuff. Like, check this out. This time we got a knife. I thought it was going to be Victorinox, so this one a little bit more generic. I would say this is like $3 or $5. It's quite used. If it wasn't used, I would give it a $14 knife. But again, this is not Victorinox, so it's probably generic and cheap. Ooh, wow! This is money right here. What year is this? 1963. But this one, I think somebody created their own set. It's not one of those like actual set. I think somebody put it in by themselves. But still, pretty nice. I like the 5 cents kind of have toned a little bit. Pretty nice set. I like that. Okay. I think mouthwash over here easily like $16–18. Ooh, check this out. I like that United States Commemorative Gallery. That's beautiful. Okay, let's take this out. Whoa. So looks like bunch of quarters, modern quarters. So I guess the whole collection of them. So $5.75. There you go. That's money in a case, and I guess maybe somewhat collectible, but it's modern. Yeah, there you go. I would just spend it, maybe just keep it, give it to my kids. Anyways, what else in here? Ooh, I see some sterling silver. It's quite hefty, but it's weighted. So what does that mean, weighted? There is inside of it is a weight, so that way the handle is not going to fall. So the sterling silver is only on the outside of it, but I wouldn't break it off. I think they call it as half an ounce of sterling silver. Sometimes they worth way better before you're gonna break it up. Okay, I think this one is also the same thing right here. This one may be a little bit better quality. Yeah, don't have a dent. So all you have to do is polish it and it's nice. And this is crown sterling weighted. That's nice. Usually right here how you can tell if it's sterling silver, as long as it says sterling, that means it's sterling silver. Okay, I see some lighters. That lighter is actually these like $30. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's shot, but it's okay. It's manageable to fix it. So the flint completely disintegrated, so all I have to do is just take off this spring, move it on the side, and just clean out this flint and put a new one in, and it's gonna be working lighter. And that's it. That's all it takes sometimes to fix these lighters that is quite expensive and collectible. This is very nice quality, except the flint have deteriorated. All I have to do is clean it out and replace it. So very nice. Okay, what is this? Some kind of little, I guess necklace. A little bit broke off. Generic stuff. This side here like a sewing finger. You see it? Cool. Nobody using that. Forever Much. Check this out. That's so funny. I have a bunch already. Oh wow, check this out. Another Forever Much or lighter. What is it? Nope, this is just a dry case maybe. Okay, pineapple. A bunch of other pins. Cool. Oh yeah, another finger holder thing. That's cool. Nobody sews anymore. But yeah, I used to fix my own pants with a needle and a stain when I was a kid. Oh wow, check this out. Some kind of pin. Is this a sterling? I doubt that. You know, this one right here, I would have to test it. It might be sterling, just because the way it's kind of like corroded and it's kind of light. I have a testing acid. All I have to do is just scrape it off and to see. But that's, we'll do it later. Oh yeah, more coins. That's what we like. Wow, nice. 1 ounce toy. Acai Refinery fine silver 3/9. That's a beautiful round, like what, $30 with the premium. That's beautiful. Honestly, $30 on eBay it would be cheap. I think the cheapest silver, 1-ounce silver right now is like $36, but it fluctuates like crazy. Okay, 1978, $1 United States, and this 76. Don't remember what silver. Another 50 cents over here with space, and this is Mercury dime, two of them, 1941 and 44. So this is like $6 in silver. So like junk silver. Cool. I like silver, any kind. They're just gonna appreciate in the long run. Ooh, what is that? No way. I think it's a really nice silver coin. It's funny how we ended up opening this last. No, it's not too epic, but they go Freedom 21st Century. Is that what it says? 2000, 1-ounce fine silver. This is quite unique. Check this out. This is a nice round. I've never seen one of those before. I would probably test this one just in case, but I think it's real. It feels real, but in the cases it's hard to say. Okay, what does it say? I probably would test it just in case to see if it's silver or not with my machine. Beautiful. There you go. We have 2 ounces of silver. This like here like $60, $70, and whole bunch of other silver and whole bunch of other junk. Oh yeah, don't forget this one. And there is a $6 and quarter, maybe more, almost like $8 and quarters. And that side here, I think really unexpected. Probably a lot of people don't know, but these things are valuable. And we'll test that, see if it's silver. I like the junk door, mostly silver, a lot of fun.